Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying power. Check the car's 5V/9V USB-A or USB-C output, and if available, a 12V accessory socket. Once done, remove bulky phone cases that block wireless transfer. Aim for cases under about 3-4 mm. Next, pick a stable mounting location, flat dash, vent mount, or cup holder so the charger sits flush. Plug the charger into the power source and confirm its status LED lights up. That tells you the unit is receiving power and is ready. Now mount the charger properly. Secure the cradle to the dash, vent clip, or cup holder so it won't shift while driving. Once mounted, route the power cable along trim gaps and under mats to keep it clear of pedals and airbags. Make sure it won't snag. Place your phone on the pad and adjust until the charging coil centers with the phone's wireless coil. This alignment is why some placements charge faster. Look for the app or phone indicator to confirm the charging handshake has started. Finish by testing stability with a short drive. Confirm the charger and phone remain secure and that charging persists. Make sure the phone shows charging and check the battery widget for input watts or percentage increase. This tells you if the unit is delivering expected power. If charging fails, first reposition the phone and remove case. Make sure the cable is USB certified and the car socket supplies power. As a key troubleshooting tip, swap to a known good USB.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.